Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you drive a car? Yes, I do. I usually drive when I need to go somewhere that is too far to walk or take public transportation. Question number 2. Do you have a driver's license? Yes, I did. I earned it by enrolling in a driver's education course, studying for and passing the written driving test, and then passing a behind-the-wheel driving test with a licensed instructor. Question number 3. When did you get your driver's license? I got my driver's license in January 2023. Question number 4. Do you think it is difficult to drive a car? Driving a car is not difficult if you have the necessary knowledge and training. Driving in certain conditions, such as rush hour traffic or bad weather, can be intimidating, but with the right attitude and caution, it can be a pleasurable experience. Question number 5. Do you think it is necessary to learn to drive? Yes, I believe that learning to drive is necessary. Driving is a skill that can be useful in a variety of situations, from errands to road trips. Furthermore, having a driver's license can lead to more job opportunities. Question number 6. Do you think it is important to pay attention to safety when driving? Absolutely. Driving should always prioritize safety regardless of the situation. To ensure the safety of yourself and other drivers on the road, it is critical to obey all traffic laws and practice defensive driving techniques. Question number 7. At what age are people allowed to drive in your country? People in my country can start driving at the age of 16. This is due to the fact that the legal driving age is determined by an individual's maturity and responsibility, which are typically developed by the age of 16. Question number 8. What do you think is the best age to learn driving? I believe that the best age to learn to drive is 16. Most young people at this age are mature enough to understand the responsibilities of driving as well as the rules of the road. Furthermore, most driving schools and courses accept students as young as 16 years old. Question number 9. Do you think all young people should learn how to drive? I believe that all young people should have the opportunity to learn to drive, but that it should not be mandatory. Learning to drive can be a valuable skill to have, but each individual must decide if it is something they want to pursue. Question number 10. Do you want your children to drive in future? Yes, I want my children to be able to drive in the future because it is a skill that will allow them to be more independent and get around more easily. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.